Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you the exact step to ditch those boring digits and craft a silk custom profile link that reflects your personal brand. Think of it as a vanity URL for your Facebook kingdom.
So for you to be able to edit your Facebook profile link, you click on this icon at the top right hand corner that states your account like so. You click on it. So once you click on that, you click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, then you click on settings like so. Once you're on this page like this, you need to click on the Meta account center like this. So you click on this portion like so. Once you click on that portion, this page opens up. So once you're on this page like so, you click on the Facebook account you want to edit the profile for. However, if you have your Instagram linked to your Facebook, you can also edit your Instagram link. For this video, we're doing that of the Facebook. So we'll be clicking, you click your Facebook account like so. Once you click your Facebook account, you have your name and you have your username. So you click on the username section like this. Once you're on this section, so as you can see, the weird numbers and the full stops that makes this link looks more weird. For you to be able to brand this and make it look more unique, you can just edit this to what you want. As you can see, you can edit this to any names you want. Like for me, for example, I want to change mine to Gideon the virtual assistant. Once you do that and you get a prompt here that it says that the name is okay, you can go ahead to hit done. So once you hit done, you have successfully edited your Facebook profile link to the unique one you currently selected. So if you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create amazing content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.